calming out there right now?
Yeah, the biggest rain chances are down south, Anthony, into the coal fields, eastern Kentucky. Still some steady rain and even a few thunderstorms there. I'm expecting a few more storms to pop up mid-afternoon, but it's hit or miss. I think that the action from the morning, getting over an inch of rain here in Charleston, has kind of cooled the air down, and that's a good thing when it settles us in. But the problem is the atmosphere can recharge heading into the weekend. These flood watches have been expanded for basically the entire viewing area, including the Interstate 79 corridor now. Originally, these were just to our western zones. These are now through Sunday night across our region. And the problem here is there's more moisture and more chances for storms. Now, flood watch means that there could be some thunderstorms that produce downpours within the next 24 to 48 hours. So over this weekend, this is the time that you take to kind of prepare your plan, have a way to receive weather alerts in case you do get a warning, because those flash flood warnings mean a thunderstorm is dumping heavy rain over a location, and that's going to cause road flooding, even rises on creeks and streams. That means you need to take action. And the biggest problem, flooded roadways. We're going to be seeing a few more of these as we head into the weekend. Do not attempt to drive through any flood water. It only takes 2 feet of water, believe it or not, to knock a big car or truck off of the road, and that can be an extremely dangerous situation. Plus the storm chances. Here's your Friday severe storm outlook. And what we're going to see is a cluster of showers and storms push out of Kentucky up the Ohio River, and 1 or 2 of them could bring a gusty wind or even some severe weather later tonight. As we head into Saturday, these risks are bigger tomorrow. Notice that slight risk, number 2 out of 5 here. Portsmouth, Ohio, just west of Huntington down to West Liberty, Kentucky, especially during the afternoon and evening, and still that marginal risk exists here in Charleston, and the marginal risk slides eastward with some showers and storms early Sunday morning as well. But right now, we're kind of getting a break in the action. Got some light rain pushing through Putnam and Cabell counties, some heavier showers and storms down here in Kentucky. Looks like the lightning has really fallen off, and there was a small amount of hail with this one as it was near Hazard, Kentucky. That's also dissipating as it pushes towards Route 119 south of Pikeville. But those areas definitely the last to see the storms, and they're still back to back. Here's our area of rain making its way out of Lexington, Kentucky here. Still some thunderstorm action with that. That will push closer to the Ohio River with some cloudy skies and a few light showers here in Charleston. Eventually, that will form a few more thunderstorms for us to track into the afternoon and evening. River levels. Coal River tornado in an action stage, likely to stay in an action stage at this point in time. Mud River at Hamlin running a little bit higher, just a little bit higher here. It is in a minor flood stage. It may reach moderate there in Hamlin, so something to keep an eye on. And Little Sandy River at Grayson, Kentucky in a minor flood stage as well, expected to be in a minor situation through the weekend. Big problem though will be over towards the Scioto River at Piketon. They could reach a moderate with some of the heavier rain out there west of Huntington and the tri-state. So through 2 o'clock, not too bad outside, mostly cloudy skies. We'll track a couple of pop-up showers and storms through Kentucky, some of which could bring some gusty winds up the Ohio River and even into central Ohio. But Futurecast is putting a couple stronger cells here in our very far southern zones. But notice by 6 o'clock, just a spotty shower. The lightning chances have dropped off quite a bit, and that's good. The energy has been taken out just a little from this morning, and that might allow us to get some dry time out here through 8 o'clock tonight. Then after midnight, I see an increase in some showers and storms in Ohio, and they're going to push their way northward originally and then eastward heading into Saturday morning. So Saturday, some dry time, but also some showers and storms. 86 degrees, pretty warm out there. And then Sunday, that's when temperatures are going to fall late in the day. So by early morning, looks pretty widespread from south to north. And then you notice that area of rain trying to make its way in, but some drier air kind of helps contain us into the 80s and keeps the valley free of thunderstorms until nighttime. The problem is, back in Kentucky, some of these storms could bring some wind energy, and this would be the type of storm, a line here, that could bring 60-mile-an-hour winds, perhaps even an isolated tornado into Sunday morning. So still a light severe weather threat early Sunday as the rain chances drop off, the front passes through, still looks very soggy outside, but look at the drop in temperatures down into the 30s for Monday morning, and we're going to need a jacket heading back to work both on Monday and Tuesday with highs in the 50s and 40s, a little bit of recovery by Wednesday before we catch a few showers later on next week.